This is the F100. It's a health watch with a twist. You got all the basic settings and setup here that you can get into, and you can get push notifications sent from your phone. On top of all of that, you've got your step count, calories burned, distance traveled, a treatment area where when you tap it, you activate two intense lasers giving you laser therapy directly into your wrist. You can set the level at 3 different levels and the time from 60 seconds up to about 4 minutes. You also have heart rate, continuous heart rate reading on this one, and it's using the green diodes for that. You've got blood oxygen, also continuous. And it uses a red diode, different than the 2 red lasers that you saw. You have temperature. There's a thermometer probe on the back, and it will monitor your temperature regularly throughout the day and show it to you on a graph. Also, on the app, you can set it up in the background to do all of these things every 10 minutes to up to every 60 minutes. Here we go, 98.2 degrees Fahrenheit is my current temperature, blood pressure, systolic, diastolic, and you're able to do a calibration of blood pressure in the app, which is nice. Here's your respiration rate, your breath rate, green diodes on that one, and a sports section that lets you cover a few things. It's not mainly a sports watch. There's no GPS or anything in the watch, but it does have some of that. You got weather pushed to the phone, watch from your phone, and of course back to a variety of different watch faces. It's a apple-sized shaped type of a watch. It's got the single knob on the side and the button at the bottom. When you activate this, it takes you right into that treatment area and will light up the lasers and give you laser therapy. It's very thin, easy to use, easy to understand smartwatch with a variety of different watch faces built into it as well. Pretty creative designs too. It's the F100. Check it out.